No, listen. You know how I feel about you.
You know how I feel, baby, infinite.
Yeah. Okay, so it's that time again. Your girl is going to Nova Scotia. I have to pack. This is really not my favorite thing to do just because I don't enjoy packing. I stress out a lot about it and I leave in 4 days. So it's time to get this baby packed. I still have some clothes in here. Like I bought some nipple covers when I was in New York. Don't ask why. Then I have these shoes that I don't even think I wore. Or if I did wear them, I was crying the whole time. I don't even know where I got those from. They look like Hermes. Yeah, that first trip was a lot of fun. I still haven't unpacked. So that's why there's some stuff in here that wasn't used, I believe. Like this top was not used. I did not use this and I did use this, so I need to wash these. And then also, new development. Look what I got. I got packing cases, packing cubes or whatever, because TikTok says I need them and I believe TikTok that I do in fact need them. Even though this in itself is a packing cube, but whatever. When I was traveling in New York, I really was bothered that I didn't have a specific place to put my dirty clothes. Now I have all these bags, but I don't really know what each bag is for. So yeah, I leave in 4 days. I leave Thursday and I'm quite excited. Don't look at my butt, perverts. Anyways, what are we going to wear? I'm feeling it's probably going to be really hot, you know. I'm thinking dresses, not so many pants. I might wear like a skirt, maybe. To be honest, I don't know what the hell we're going to do, but I'm gonna take a pants, you know. This Tommy Hilfiger, it is a little bit short, but listen. All you gotta do is you put some leggings underneath, you put like little spandex and you're good, you're chilling, you're Gucci. We're gonna take that. Oh, I can't wait to wear that. I might wear that the first day. Cute. I'm tempted to bring this dress. I'm gonna bring this just in case. I don't wanna do this anymore. I have. Be cute. I actually don't know if this will fit me. It's big. Nah. I want to be like, nah, this can work. This is large and this makes me look stupid. Who knows? This is even mine. So whatever. Gotta put that back. I'm also very pro flats. After New York and walking down 51st Street, yeah, literally walking down those 5th Avenue, 4th Avenue, I'm not wearing, no, if I have to walk, I'm wearing flats. I need to clean the inside. I don't know why they look like that, but okay. When I get there, it's gonna be 27 degrees, 24, 28, 27. Am I leaving on Monday? So it's gonna be pretty hot, a little bit of rain though, so we should be okay. Love this pantsuit. Like, why not? For real, why not? Let me try it on. But can I zip up the back? And the thing is, unlike before, I'm not staying at the same hotel as the rest of my coworkers, so I can't really ask for help. So right now it's Tuesday, July 26, 12:41 a.m. Literally, like no joke, I just spent like an hour in the shower washing my hair and doing my whole routine. So if I look like a bum, that is why. Like I feel like a beached whale. Well, like opposite of a beach whale, like a drowned cheetah or something. Like it's so bad. No way this man is asleep already.
Yo, I'm actually in the chat if you didn't know.
Oh, that's crazy. Oh, I see it. Oh wow, yeah. You're there for real. Okay, well, we'll start. Bye. We're watching Peaky Blinders. We're on season 1, episode 5, and it's pretty good, not gonna lie. Anyways, I'm gonna be blow drying my hair because I have to get my hair done tomorrow in 10 hours, so I need to do this. So we're here to go get my little hair done. She was running a little bit late because it's supposed to be at 12, but since she won't be home until 12:20, which is not a problem with me because I don't want to be late anyways.
So we can have time go to get it in.
But it takes 10 minutes to get there and 10 minutes to get back.
So we would have time because it's now
By the time we get there, it'd be time for us to come back. Oh, that she is. I think so. Maybe. Christ. I literally get home. I just got home from getting my hair done, right? And my dad gets home from work. He lets Coco outside in the backyard. Coco's going crazy. Guess what Coco goes and does? Oh, it smells like shit. He gets sprayed by a skunk. So now I have to wash the damn dog. It stinks, man. Oh my god. I've never... Look at him. He just stinks. I don't know what I'm gonna do. It's your face. You got sprayed in the face. Okay, I need to like search what to do. It still smells like a damn skunk. Stay there. Coco, stay there. Get down. Get down. Stay there. What to do if your dog gets sprayed by a skunk? Baking soda? Dad! Get me some baking soda! I'm going to freak out. Freaking out, if you guys can't tell.
So you washed him before?
Yes, I washed him 3 times already.
You put a what?
A timer on for 5 minutes. Okay, it's smelling, it got in your ear, huh? This. Yes, it's going away again. Now that fiasco was partially over, Coco was bathed. Like, he took like 5 baths. I can show you my hair. Like, I really do love it. I got goddess braids and the girl was very, very nice and she did a really good job. So very light. I think the only one that hurts is this one right here, but it'll be okay. But I truly really do love it. But I'm supposed to like finish packing, but I really just don't have any energy. I think I'll just get up early tomorrow and do it. And so tomorrow I'm getting my nails done at 12 o'clock, and then I'm getting my wax at 2. Yeah, that was today. I'm so tired. Oh, I got like a whole bunch of stuff. Let me do a quick little haul for y'all. Okay, so let me show you the stuff that I got. These are like stuff for me to put in my carry-on bag. So I got Lysol. Corona still out there, and monkeypox is very much emerging from the depths of hell, so we are wiping up. I got some Neutrogena acre proofing wipes. I love these. I bought these when I went to New York and they were fantastic, and I used them when I got home too. And then I got the Jergens revitalizing vitamin E cream. It's just I can't bring my full size, so I have to get some that's small enough to fit, so this is small enough. Then we have my Dove body wash. I use Dove though, I got her. I'm not really taking that much because I don't need to. Next, I got these today. I got the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I've heard so many good things about this setting spray, and I decided let me just try it out for this trip and see how it works. So I got some clothes, plain in the front, then it's like open in the back. I kind of tried it on, I was like, the hell is this? But I'm still gonna take it, I think. Bag from Forever 21. Listen, I wasn't even like thinking of getting it, and then I walked past it and I like put it on my clothes. Like I put on like this and I was like, it's cute, I need it. So I think this is gonna be my bag for when I go down there. Last thing I got is from H&M. I got this cute little shirt. It's like a work shirt. Like you see how like it's like that. I also need to wax my armpits. Oh god, tomorrow is gonna be a doozy. It's like an undershirt but better. I was trying to match this one picture. I'm gonna put it up right here. This video is from August, okay? So it just took me a really long time to edit it, just because I have so much footage and it felt very daunting to get to editing this. So you are getting this for Christmas. Merry Christmas. Here you go. Woo, yay. But some of the things I'm talking about, I literally can't remember what I'm talking about, so sorry y'all, but y'all will see me next video in real time. That I saw of Madison Beer in her top, and I thought that was the same top, but when I tried it on, it was not. But I still got it just because I think it's really cute and I can still wear it. I wish it was a little bit longer, and I just forgot to tell her that I wanted it longer. So she just did like bottom of your back, like top of your butt, and I wanted it to like down to my knees, but like it's okay next time. That is that, and I'm so ready to go to bed. I've been up since like 7 o'clock. Went and got my hair done, and I was there till like 3:30, and then I was out with my mom. I didn't come home until 7, almost 8 o'clock, and then boom, the flipping dog sprayed by a skunk, and my cousins are supposed to come tomorrow. So the house smells like skunk right now, and I'm not. Thank you. So we're here. I'm gonna get my. I got a strip now? I got a strip? I can't do this. I'm gonna freaking scream. I'm so nervous. Jesus, why do I do this to myself, man? I can't. It's like the same. Yeah, it's like around. Yeah. Okay. This girl was capping. I don't know why she was capping. Because, like, okay, it wasn't like a flipping forest, but she was like, I was gonna go by so fast. Girl, I was sitting there. Y'all will see, I was sitting there sweating. I was sweating bullets. Like, I remember I got off. Why do I look like this? Anyways, I got off, like, the table, and it was sweat. Like, she was like, oh, like, do you usually sweat this much? And I'm like, one, I'm a sweaty girl. But I was a waterfall today. I was a waterfall that day. I got that wax done like August, and it's December, and I still haven't gone back. It wasn't horrible, but I don't think I can subject myself to pain like that. Yeah.
What's your pain tolerance?
I have like a medium pain. I've tried to do this to myself before, and I was like, okay, I was like, let me chill. It worked. It was just too, like, I couldn't. Yeah, literally, I was like, I'm freaking out every time I had to pull it. I was like, nah. So I just do my armpits by myself, and I can do that.
I'm actually amazed.
It's been pretty good. Like, I've just been hanging out with friends and stuff like that.
Not bad, right?
No, not bad. It's more like the shock.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're good.
I think you're freaking yourself out.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, it's like the first initial time. Like, after a while, I get used to like the pain or whatever. That's why doing my armpits isn't that bad to me. But yeah.
Did that hurt?
It was just like a
pulling, right?
yeah. It's just because I keep thinking about stuff that happened during this time. So I'm like 99% certain like she thought that I did OnlyFans. I'm like 99% sure she thought I did OnlyFans, only because when I like before like I go into any of these establishments with my camera and just be like camera in their face, I always ask like, can I record? But it wasn't like she said like content, but she said something else and like it alluded to OnlyFans, and I was like, no, Miss Girl, I just want to record my reaction. Ooh, girl.
I know. Hard wax feels warm, but it's just because it adheres differently.
Yeah. Scotia bitches. Hey.
Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.